Delivery CX4A 702C. Connect the base to the stand. Attach the stand to the back of the Dell PC. Connect the power. And also to the network, or connect via your Wi-Fi. Plug in to the power board supply. Set up the keyboard and mouse. Keep the RAD X IR dongle in a safe place for future servicing. Take the batteries out of the panel box and place them arrow to arrow in the battery charger. Place the panel face down, remove battery compartment door and install fully charged battery. Install the battery compartment door. Turn on the CX4A power. We are ready now to take an X-ray after we have filled in the registration screen. After filling in the registration screen, start the exam. Turn the panel on. Note the battery strength indicator, blue LED. When the DR panel connects to the PC, battery strength and also signal strength between the DR panel and the PC is shown. Place the DR panel gently into the cassette tray. Lower down and lock cassette tray. Slide the cassette tray home. Start the exam after filling in the registration screen. We are doing a small animal abdomen X-ray. Note the body parts are now selected. Start the exam. Study description. Highlight abdomen. Okay. We are now ready to take an X-ray when the ready light appears. We are now ready to take an exposure with a phantom. When the ready light appears, we are now able to take another exposure. Please refer to the NE quick hints manual for further information on quality assurance. We now end the exam. To shut down the CX4A, follow these 3 steps.